Welcome back guys to a new video tutorial. Today, as you can see, you learn about Stripe payments to invoices. You learn how to generate invoices from Stripe payment using the n8n. So, what you learn in this tutorial? So in this tutorial, you learn how to automatically generate invoices every time a payment is completed in Stripe using n8n. This workflow will capture successful Stripe payments, prepare invoices data, customer email, amount and date, generate a Google Docs invoice automatically, export the invoice as a PDF, save it in the Google Drive, and optional if you want, email the invoice to your customer. This is perfect for freelancer, e-commerce stores, SaaS business and agencies that want to automate invoices and reduce manual work. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the Stripe trigger for the payment succeeded. His purpose is to start the workflow whenever a Stripe payment succeeded. So on the configuration, on the event, after you configure it, you will have your Stripe API key and the payment intent dot succeeded. You will capture the payment ID, the amount, the currency, the customer email, and the date. After that, you have the set node that will map the invoice data. So you have the invoice ID here, the customer name. All will be as expression. Also this expression, not fixed. Okay. The email, the JSON charges billing details email. Okay. The amount and the date. The date from today. Also expression. Okay. After that, you have the Google Docs to create the invoice document. His purpose is to generate a new Google Doc invoice. Operation is create. The title will be invoice JSON invoice ID. And for example, you will have the invoice ID, the JSON invoice ID, the customer JSON customer name, the email JSON email, the amount paid, that is JSON amount, and the date, that is the JSON date. Okay, the result will be a new Google document is created with the payment details. After that, you'll have the Google Docs that will convert the Google Doc into a PDF file. Configuration on operation will be export, as you can see. After that, document ID will be used ID from the create invoice tab, JSON ID, and the MIME type will be application PDF. After that, you'll have the Google Drive node. Its purpose is to upload the PDF invoices into a Google Drive folder. Operation will be upload, input binary data, input binary file will be data, file name will be the JSON invoice ID.pdf. The file content will be the binary output from Google Docs export step. So here you have the file name invoice.pdf. And folder, choose invoice or any folder you want. At this stage, every time a customer pays, they automatically get a professional invoice saved in your Google Drive. You can extend the workflow by adding Gmail node SNMP to send the invoice directly via email. So that was all for today, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.